everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder Path Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacchino, the other co-founder. This is recorded around 3:45 Central Time on Thursday, November 30th for everybody. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe to us so you know when we do new videos, and comment on the videos and like us so we can help grow the channel. So, we dipped in the rotation zone again today and now bounced back up. So far the rotation zone is holding. If we go back down, this is on a daily chart, and break below this 8,800 level, we'll be watching for a return to about 84.20 will be key. 84.20 to 82.50 is right prior breakout zone. 50% retracement from the lows in November. And rising bottom of the rotation zone, which is in this blue line. That's what we're watching for. Did we get any patterns on the shorter term charts yet for high probability entries? Not yet. This is now a flat rotation zone. This is very strong resistance right around this 9,800 level. And then the next levels on a rally up we're going to be watching for is 10,130 and then 10,450. We need to get a close above 10,450 before we get into bullish mode again, and then we'll be looking for pullbacks into the rotation zone. If we do get a move up in this area, this will pull the rotation zone back up, and then we can look for rotation entries back up. This may go into consolidation also, so we're just going to sit patiently and watch it unless we do get a close or an extended move below 8,800, and then we're looking for those lower targets we talked about. If you do get a rally and you're looking to take some more Bitcoin off, if you're looking to unwind a little more position, end of the clear path, 10,408 is the first key level to watch for, also to unwind something, or 10,822 if you're looking to bank some profits on a stronger rally and then add back on pullbacks. Switching over to Bitcoin Cash, we talked a few days ago, it triggered a double bottom. It triggered, first off, a breakdown from this horizontal channel with, you see all the targets, found the first target, found the second target, triggered a quick double bottom, which went up to the first target, the 1632, then collapsed down through our final target. So both those are done. And now, what are we watching for? Well, the rotation zone is against us. You can see how it broke down through there, went up to the rotation zone, collapsed back down, now holding just above it. So any rally into the rotation zone is still areas if you want to take something off, or you grab something down here, then that could be a good area. By the way, this is not a double bottom. It does not meet our criteria, so it is a lower probability one, and it's going against the rotation zone, so that's not good. If you want to pull something off on a rally back to 1410 is a possibility, or 1375, that's good areas to take something off, and then watch for another rotation back down. That's where we're looking at right now. Let's check on the daily chart. Again, we're not being aggressive on any of these now. It's holding right at the bottom of this rotation zone. It dipped down to this final support level around this 1164 you see there, and then bounce back up, holding in the rotation zone now. If we do break below this 1164 level, the next major thing we're looking for is down around 966. There'll be minor support coming in about 1100, so you can watch for a possible reversal pattern there. 966, and then major support coming in at 907. So that's how we're watching Bitcoin Cash. And in all these, if we do get a high probability reversal pattern, meaning a bottoming pattern, it could be a clear divergence pattern, it could be a double bottom, it could be a massive spike. We've talked about those massive tail spikes with a 50% retracement of them. Then those are potential buy areas. We just haven't had one that's triggered for us, so we are being very patient and sitting on our hands and letting the decline unfold. There'll always be time to get back in when it gives us a high probability signals. Switching over to Bitcoin Gold, also against the rotation zone now. We broke down below key support, came down, tested the 50-period exponential moving average, bounced back up to retest the key support, which is now resistance, and into the rotation zone. That was actually a really good sell signal. And then traded down, traded down, traded down. We're pretty much at the lows earlier today. We're at the prior breakout level. So that's so far held, but we're still against rotation zone. So any moves in here, we're not doing anything aggressive. And again, there's no high probability reversal pattern. We're going to watch if it gets above the rotation zone and above this declining trend line, and then pulls back to test the key level and starts rotating back up, that's the way we'll look to add in Bitcoin Gold for now. Or if it continues its sell off and then we get the high probability rotation zone entry or a bottoming pattern entry. If it gets below this 251, next major level we're watching for is 230. You can see that's prior key support. And then the 210 level. Let's check in on the daily chart also. So this also held, besides the prior breakout zone, right at the bottom of the rotation zone. Hope you're seeing how powerful this rotation zone can be for everybody, and I hope you have it updated on your charts. If you want to know how, check out our charting video, how we set up our charts. It's caught between the top of the rotation zone and the bottom. It's really got to get above the top of that rotation zone and this trend line before we're at all interested in getting more bullish. So that's sort of where we stand. On a bigger sell-off, the next key major level down isn't till around 173 to 176. So if we break below those levels, it won't look good until we get down here to these prior key significant levels. That's what we have for you on Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, and Bitcoin Gold. We will talk to everyone shortly. Remember to subscribe, comment, and like us. And stay tuned for more videos. Let us know what else you want to see or hear from us. Bye for now.